Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is George Wilkinson. This is the Global Scholar YouTube channel. On this channel, I share highly useful information for anyone planning to study abroad. And so if you love stuff like this, please subscribe to this channel and let's keep growing this community. Now, I have been receiving a number of requests, questions from you guys about the top universities that offer public health. I see a lot of people are interested in studying public health. I personally believe that public health is one of the best courses to study in the UK at the moment, because currently the UK's health sector is in dire need of health professionals, and so there is the availability of jobs once you finish with your studies. And so in today's video, I have put together the top universities in Scotland, not in the UK as a whole, but only in Scotland, that offer the best public health courses. I've done this assessment based on a few parameters, some including the cost of tuition, the course content, application procedures and requirements, and overall delivery. And so without wasting much time, let's jump straight onto my laptop and let me go over these top universities with you guys. Okie dokie guys, so welcome to this very short presentation. It's going to be a very short video, I hope. And so in this video, I'm going to go through the best universities in Scotland where you can study public health. Now, what I did here is that, I went to the websites of each of these universities, or all the universities in Scotland, and I looked out for public health courses, a master's in public health. And so for my research, I'm going to present to you 10 universities. For some of the universities, they don't offer public health directly per se, but it's just a variation of public health, renamed or remodeled in another name. Now, before I show you the universities, I would like to recap this from my earlier video, but if you haven't watched that one, then let's just go through this one more time. The reason why I'm advocating, I'm saying that studying public health makes sense is that it is an easy way to be employed in one of the UK's biggest sector. The public health sector in UK is huge. It's a very, very important sector to the UK, and it is one of UK's biggest employers. And so if you study in public health, you are increasing your chances of, being employed in this sector. Another reason is also health professionals are in high demand. Professionals are being recruited almost all the time. And if you look under the shortage occupations list on the UK government website, you will find out that health professionals are listed as occupations that are in shortage. Health professionals are in high demand, and you are just doing yourself good if you study in this area and you are looking at building a career in this area. Now, my third reason is that it offers an easier pathway to permanent residency through the health and care worker visa, or even the skilled worker visa. The reason being that once you decide you want to switch, from maybe your postgraduate work visa and you have a job in the health sector, it's easier to switch with an organization which already has a license. If you're here in the UK, you're already in the sector, you have the experience, you build the experience, you build the knowledge. It makes it very easier for you to be able to switch onto the health and care worker visa or the skilled worker visa for health professionals, rather than somebody who is outside of the UK and trying to get in. All right, so I think now we'll go on to the various universities that I have research on, and I'm going to put off my camera and we're just going to go through the slides. They are in no particular order. At the end, I will present to you some sort of ranking based on a few parameters that I have outlined. Now, the very first university I have here is the University of St. Andrews, and what they have is digital health, an MSc in digital health. And from their course page, it says that this course helps to explore the principles and practice of digital health, as well as applied skills commonly needed for digital health careers. And so I think that this course right here takes the concept of public health and marries it with a digital aspect. So upon completion of this course, it makes you some sort of digital savvy health professional, I guess. But more information on the university's webpage. Now, the entry requirements for this course is a second class upper or a 2.1 honors undergraduate degree, and you should have experience in statistical data analysis, and some familiarity with methods such as sampling and regression. The MSc Digital Health welcomes applicants from a range of disciplinary backgrounds, including but not limited to computer science, mathematics, medicine, public health, software engineering, and statistics. So this is ideally sort of steered or curved towards those with this sort of background. And the requirements for this course is also slightly higher because they are looking for a second class upper. Now the start date for this course is September, and it takes a year to complete. The fees for this course is £25,450. Now moving on, we have the University of Glasgow, and their course is, yes, a public health, a master's in public health. Now from their course page, it says that the MPH, or the Masters in Public Health, aims to promote health, prevent disease, and reduce inequalities in health and prolong life. The entry requirements are a relevant first degree, and here as well they are requiring a second class upper or a 2.1 honors. And there is a note that when you are submitting your application, you must include your CV. It starts in September of every academic year, and the fees are £24,540. Now the third university we are looking at is the University of the West of Scotland, and they also offer a Master of Public Health. Now on their course page, it says that the degree has been designed to offer you a solid basis in public health, epidemiology, health policy and global economics, health education and health promotion, statistics, and infection disease control, delivered via a mixture of face-to-face, online, and blended delivery of modules. What I like about their entry requirements is that it's a bit more relaxed in that they require a second class honors degree, and they didn't really state whether it was an upper or lower. So I guess any second class honors degree will do. And for this course also, it is not closed in the sense that any second class honors degree in any field will do, and they also state that they consider all applicants on an individual basis. For me, this right here is really a draw in for me, because when I'm looking at applying for a course, I am looking at a relaxed entry requirements that makes it easy for anybody to get into the course. And the University of the West of Scotland for this course has good entry requirements that enables anybody who is interested in pursuing this course to apply and secure a place. The start dates are in September and in January, and the fees are £17,250. Edinburgh Napier University offers an MSc in Healthcare Management. On their course page, it says that this innovative course is designed for graduates who have or aspire to a management role in health and social care. Now, for the requirements for this course, you must have a bachelor's degree at 2.2 or above. However, they are looking for applicants who have a background related to the subject. So they are looking at health professional degrees such as nursing, medicine, dentistry, occupational therapy, physiotherapy, health promotion, health administration, or health management. You realize that the entry requirements are a bit relaxed in terms of they requiring a 2.2 and above. However, it is a bit closed off as they are looking for individuals who have a background in a related subject area. The course start dates are in September and January, and the fees are £15,490. Now, the next university we are looking at is the Glasgow Caledonian University, and this was among one of my favorites that I looked up, and you know why in a couple of minutes. They also offer a Masters of Public Health. Now, the Glasgow Caledonian University's Masters of Public Health aims to prevent disease, promote health, and protect the health and well-being of the public through education, research, and public health practice and service. This is as stated on their course page. Now, for the entry requirements for this course, you need a 2.2 bachelor's degree, which is a second class lower and above, and they require it in a relevant subject such as, but not limited to medicine, nursing, dentistry, etc. So what they are saying here is that they are not limited to the health area, but you just need a relevant degree 2.2 and above. What also excites me is that They state that each application is considered on an individual basis. Also, more excitingly to know is that their fees are 13,500, way cheaper. It's one of the cheapest that I found, and their course start dates are in September and January. Another fantastic university that I found out and their offering of a public health degree is the Queen Margaret University in Edinburgh. Their master's is an MSc in person-centered practice, into bracket public health and well-being. And on their course page, they state that this course is suitable for international, United Kingdom, and local practitioners who wish to further develop critical thinking, professional reasoning, and research knowledge and skills to develop a practice in a way that is informed by evidence and that is person-centered. Now, for their entry requirements, they say that candidates will normally be graduates with evidence of relevant recent academic study. Basically, what they are saying is that you just need a good degree, a normal degree in any subject area. And so if you have a second class lower, you can apply. Probably even a third class, you can inquire and find out if you can apply for this course. But I think it's fantastic. Their course date starts in September, and their fees are not, so expensive. It's £15,500. Now, one of my favorites, or probably my best choice out of the entire lot, is the Robert Gordon University's MSc in Public Health and Health Promotion. Now, it says on their course page that this MSc recognizes the importance of the wider social context in which health is created. It explores innovative approaches to address the widening inequalities gap, the health needs of an aging population, and the increased prevalence of long-term chronic conditions. The entry requirements are very relaxed. You need a 2.2 undergraduate honors degree in any subject area. So you need a second class lower and above in any subject area to be able to apply for this course right here, which is fantastic. The course dates are in January, so it starts every January. I inquired from them and they don't have a September start, unfortunately. So their course date starts in January only. And their fees are incredible, £12,970. It's the cheapest of all the schools that I have, or I will be reviewing, or I am reviewing. Now let's move on to the University of Edinburgh. The University of Edinburgh also offers a master's in public health. Now it says on their course page that this program is ideal if you are a professional or you are new to the subject and you wish to address today's problem in public health. You may be from a clinical or a non-clinical background. You may already be working in a public health or be keen to move into a public health role. So essentially, this course right here, I love it so much because it is tailored or suited for any individual who is looking at making a career move into public health. It's for people who are already working there. It's also for newbies. The entry requirements, you need a 2.1 honors degree in medicine, nursing, social sciences, science, biomedicine, or other related disciplines. The start dates are in September. Their fees are £25,300. Now, next on my list is the University of Aberdeen. Now, the University of Aberdeen also offers a Master of Public Health. Now, the MPH, as stated on their website, will help you to develop the knowledge and the skills to tackle public health challenges by providing a multidisciplinary approach to healthcare, and is set within the traditional strengths of an ancient Scottish university and a leading UK medical school. The entry requirements: applicants will usually possess a health-related honors degree, 2.2 level or above, or a second class lower or above. Even students from a non-health background who have a degree in science, in social science or humanities subjects, and who are interested in a public health related career will be considered for this program, which is absolutely fantastic. They also have two start dates, one in September and one in January, and their fees are £25,100. Now, finally on my list is the Master of Health offered by the University of Dundee. On their course page, they say that learn about the techniques and strategies that can apply to public health practice to make a difference in local, national, and international communities. To be considered for this course, the requirements are you should hold a first class or an upper second class degree, and entry is normally restricted to graduates in medicine, dentistry, nursing, or health-related sciences, and so forth. This course by the University of Dundee, it's a bit closed. Entry requirements are a bit, high. You need a first class or a second class upper or a 2.1. And it's also for individuals who are from, a health-related background. Their course start dates are in September and in January, and their fees are 19,900. Now, on this final page, what I do is that I present to you a comparison of all the universities that I've just gone over. What I will implore of you is that you go to their respective course pages, which I will link in the description box below, and you can, go through their modules. You can read further about eligibility and the requirements for each course, and get to know more about the courses in general. But right on this page, I just want to present to you an overview and to help you to make an informed decision. I personally ranked them this way, and the factors that I took into consideration in ranking them this way were, first of all, fees and entry requirements, how open or how relaxed entry requirements were, and this led me to rank them in this way. But this is by no means any official ranking by any organization, and just as a disclaimer, this is not an advertisement for any of the universities listed here. No university has solicited me to conduct any work or this review that I am presenting to you. These are my personal views, my personal opinions. Checking out my rankings, the first university that I placed number 1 is the Robert Gordon University, primarily because they have very low fees, and their entry requirements are also, a bit more relaxed in that they require a 2.2 or a second class lower and above, and it's open to individuals who don't even have a science background. And so if you look at what I write in the entry, you see open, closed. When you see open, it means it's open to individuals from, any study background. When you see closed, it means that it's only it's closed to individuals who have a health related or a science background. Right at number 2 is the Glasgow Caledonian University. Their fees are also very moderate at 13,500. Their entry requirements are also relaxed. They accept a 2.2 and above from any background, your course background. You are welcome to apply. The third on my list is the Queen Margaret University. Their fees also a bit more cheaper, 15,500. For them, regardless of whatever degree that you have, you can apply. At number 4, I placed the Edinburgh Napier University. Their course fees are 15,490. The entry requirements, you need a 2.2 and above, which is fine. However, it is closed off to individuals who have a related background. Coming in at number 5 is the University of the West of Scotland, and their fees are 17,250. They accept anything from a 2.2 and above, and they are also quite open to individuals from diverse backgrounds. At number 6 is the University of Dundee. Their fees are 19,900. They accept a 2.1 and above or a second class upper and above. However, they are also closed off to individuals who have a related background in health or science. Number 7 is the University of Glasgow. Their fees is 24,540. They require a second class upper and above. However, they have an open entry requirement, meaning you can apply with any other background. Coming in at number 8 is the University of ABERDEEN. Their fees are 25,100. I like their open entry, which starts from anywhere from a second class lower and above or a 2.2 and above, and the fact that they are open, you can apply with any academic background. At number 9 is the University of Edinburgh. Their fees are 25,300. They require a 2.1 and above, and they also have an open approach. And finally, at number 10 is the University of St. Andrews, and their fees are $25,450. They require a second class upper or a 2.1 and above, and they have a closed approach, meaning they consider applicants who have a related health or science background. Now guys, I hope this was helpful to you, and I will repeat once again, the links are in the description box below. Check out each university one after the other, and this will help you to make a more informed decision. Because of time, I couldn't go through the modules of each of the universities. It would have made this video very long, but I suggest you do that once you visit the website, and this should help you to make an informed decision. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I really appreciate you watching this video, but if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. I've realized that a lot of you guys, watch my videos, you like my content, you even send me messages and comments and all that, but a lot of you guys are not subscribed. So please subscribe to this channel, and let's keep growing this community. As usual, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to pop it in the comment section below. You can send me a personal email at myglobalscholar@gmail.com. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Bye bye.